How to create a QR code for your Amazon registry. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be showing you in full detail, step by step, how we can create a registry and how to also create a QR code so that people can just go ahead and scan it and then they're just going to be redirected to your registry. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing is going to be creating a registry. So if you already have this, you can just go ahead and skip ahead in the video and then we will show you how to create a QR code for it. So let's get started by creating a registry. So you either have the option to click on registry here if you find it from the home tab in this panel here. If you don't find it, you can just go ahead and click on, or not click, but hover over your account on the top right, and then you can just go to create a list or registry. So just go ahead and click on that, and then we can just go ahead and click on create a registry or gift list. So feel free to create one right here. I'm just going to create one for, let's say for a new baby. We can do this as an example, and then we can just go ahead and continue. So obviously do take your time to set this up accordingly. You can just go ahead and set all of this up, and then we can just go ahead and add this to finalize it. And then we can just go ahead and create our first registry. So I'm just going to go over these settings real quick just to set them up. And then we can just go ahead and continue. And now I'm just going to add some stuff just to make my registry a little bit populated. So we can just go for these. We can just go for, did they not save? I don't think so. Okay, great. And then we can just go back to your registry here. There are 4 items now, and I believe we can just go ahead and continue with this. So now that we have a registry, so let's say you already did have a registry, or you pretty much just created one, added your items, and you're pretty much good to go, and you want to create a QR code for it. Now it is actually very simple. Again, I'm just going to go through it. So you want to go to your account on the top right, click on find a list or registry, and now you can just go ahead and go for the one that we already created, which is this one right here, or whichever one that you actually want to share. So just go ahead and click on it, and then once you actually click on it, you basically want to just click on share on the right panel here. You can see share settings and all of those things. You want to basically just go ahead and click on share. And once you click on share, they're going to give you 2 options, your registry link and share with family and friends. And the thing that we actually want to do here is pretty much this one. We want to copy the link. Make sure you just go ahead and copy the entire link here. So just go ahead and right click, copy, or just Control C. And then once this is done, I need you to open up a new browser tab and go for QR code generator. So it is going to be a free platform that you can use right away. Just go for qrcodegenerator.com with the respective dashes here, and then we can just go ahead and start. So basically you wanted to add the link that we just got from here, so in here I mean. So just go ahead and paste this link right over here, and then right away you will see on the right panel that a new QR code has been created here for us, and you can also change it a little bit. So there's going to be some customization options that you can choose from. So feel free to choose them as you would like, and some of them will require you to sign up, which is also for free. So feel free to just customize it to your liking, and if you also want to add your logo, feel free to do so. And then we can just go ahead and download JPEG. And then once this is downloaded, we are pretty much set. Our QR code is ready to go. We can share it with people, and when people now start scanning this, it's just going to take them to our registry. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.